Hello everyone, how are you guys doing today? This is Shelly and welcome back to my channel. Today I would like to share with you, I will reveal my latest purchase, which is in this little box. Just a quick story about this one. I have been searching for similar item, and however I think, I'm not really sure if they have discontinued this item already, what I'm looking for, but I found this one and it's the closest I could get, so here it is. It came in that sliding box. There's a little care booklet that goes with it and that usual tab of paper, and here it is. It's the Louis Vuitton Crafty round coin purse. Now, I have been looking originally for the monogram version of that one here, but as I said, online it's not available at all. I cannot find it in their website, so I'm assuming they have discontinued it. So when I saw this, I was really pleased, and since I did get the pochette métis of the Crafty edition, I decided to go ahead and get that one as well, and it looks very nice. Let me see. Yeah, so as you can also see, the background is basically cream at the back, and it has the big LV in color black paint, and then the rest, like shadow tribal design, is in red, and then there are the slight flower sides of the Louis Vuitton official flower in black as well. Now what I have noticed here is that black part here, normally from the monogram round purse, it's a vachetta leather, but that one here instead is in black canvas with flower print as well. Can you see that? Very pretty. So that's how it looks from the outside. The zipper pull is also in black, and as I already said, its hardware is in gold, including the zipper as well. Now the side of the zipper cloth part is also black. So when you open it, it opens to a black leather inside. And there you can see that one here says Louis Vuitton Paris, made in France. It has the date code inside as well, and I'm very happy to get it because then I have the round coin purse finally, and it's also the one that matches my latest bag. The measurement, if I'm not mistaken, is 9 centimeter, 9 centimeter, and here is 1 centimeter, or here is 1 centimeter. Yeah, so that's about it. That's my reveal for today, and I want to say thank you for the ones who've watched my previous videos, and thank you again for passing by or dropping by today. I hope you like my video. Please don't forget to like it at the bottom, and you might want to subscribe on my channel as well. Go ahead and do that so that you can be notified. Oh yeah, to be notified you have to click the bell beside the subscription button, and yeah, I will let you know how it goes with that coin purse here. I might do a review of that, but for now, I hope you like my video, and stay safe everyone. That's it for now. I'll be seeing you soon. Once again, this is Shelly, and I wish you all a nice day. Bye bye for now.